Gumawa ng pangalan ng 14-year-old climber na si Praj de la Cruz matapos niyang maiuwi ang tansong medalya sa women's boulder event sa Southeast Asian Games sa Thailand. Ang detalye ng makasaysayang panalong iyan alamin sa ulat ni teammate JB Hunyo.
Sa tindi ng init ng bakbakan sa women's boulder at matitinding competitor mula sa iba't ibang region, pinatunayan ni Praj de la Cruz na may puso at lakas ang Pilipinas pagdating sa climbing. Naiuwi ng 14-year-old ang bronze medal sa women's boulder, ang nag-iisang medalya ng Pilipinas sa climbing sa 2025 Southeast Asian Games sa Thailand. Matapos ang isang di matatawarang laban sa wall para sa batang climber, hindi lamang podium finish ang medalyang ito, kundi isang pagpapatunay na ang mahabang oras ng pagsasanay at sakripisyo ay may bunga. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports kay De La Cruz, ibinahagi niya kung paano niya pinaghandaan na sungkitin ng medalya sa pamamagitan ng physical and mental preparedness.
I feel like every competition has to be treated the same way, because if you mess up your routine even one tiny bit and you tweak it slightly, it might ruin the way that you compete for qualifiers or finals. So I did for SEA Games is keep the same calm demeanor that I had and try to relax my body and just focus on my mentality. Because that's what I always think about during competitions, is what my brain inside, like what am I feeling? What am I thinking? Because that is what determines your standing at the end.
Dagdag pa ng young boulder na hindi naging hadlang ang kanyang edad para magtala ng bronze medal finish sa biennial meet, at isa sa mga dahilan ng kanyang pagkapanalo ay ang mainit na suporta na kanyang natatanggap mula sa Filipino community.
Because even though these competitors are like almost twice my age or older than me by half a decade, it's important for me to realize that they're not on their A game all the time. So I need to realize that it's always a fair game. I cannot complain whether I have a hiccup on the road, because talking on behalf of all athletes across the entire globe, we are all warriors. I feel very proud about the bronze medal because I appreciate the community in the Philippines, and I hope that it could grow into a bigger community, because every time I go back from the US to the Philippines, the community is pretty much the same, a little bit smaller, and that's okay, right? That because everyone recognizes me and I recognize them, so it's like family, right? But I hope that our climbing family will grow, and I hope that we can inspire more people to join this sport, because it's an amazing sport.
Matapos niyang magpakitang gilas sa SEA Games, target ni De La Cruz ang mag-qualify at makatungtong sa Olympics na kanyang pinaghahandaan para sa mga susunod na taon, at nais niya ring makuha ang gintong medalya sa 2027 SEA Games.
I'm very Olympic hopeful po. I'm trying to train for the Olympic qualifiers, and hopefully that in 2027 I could get gold in the next SEA Games. But honestly, in terms of training, I have to thank everyone in my community, including my athletes, my coaches, Tito Franz, everyone that has supported me to get at this level, right? So I pray that they continue to support me and they will continue to support my goals. Because if they support me, then I could believe in myself to do what I want in the future.
Sa kabila ng lahat, naging mas makabuluhan ang bronze medal dahil ito ay hindi lamang personal na tagumpay, kundi isang mahalagang hakbang para sa patuloy na paglago ng climbing sa bansa. Para kay Praj, ang panalong ito ay isang motibasyon upang magpatuloy at maghangad ng mas mataas na antas sa mga susunod na international competitions. JB Hunyo para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.